Hey y'all, it's the Southern Girl Shantae Lovette. Spring is right around the corner, and I'm just sharing some ideas to help you spruce up your small front porch or entryway. Everything starts with a good cleanup. Just by adding some plants can make a huge difference. Yeah, this is so much better, but let's finish with some inviting details. Oh, how I love decorating with mirrors. Small changes can go a long way. Thank you so much for stopping by. Leave a comment if you're ready for spring. And if you're in need of professional interior design guidance or advice for your home, please visit our website at Southern Girl Interiors or just scan the QR code. Stay connected by following on our socials. Subscribe to this channel to become family. Are you interested in watching a few more videos? I've got you covered with these recommendations.